Hey, what's up you guys? I hope you're doing okay. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to make a matcha latte. Yeah, that rhymes. No, it wasn't intentional, but we're going to start on the first one. The first one starts off with about a teaspoon, or if you don't have enough, half a teaspoon of matcha powder. Then we are going to dissolve the matcha powder with about a cup of water into that water. The water's warm, by the way, so then it actually dissolves. Then we are going to add a couple ice cubes to cool it down because I personally don't like it when my matcha is a hot tea. I don't know, I don't vibe with it for some reason. Then into our cup we are going to add a little bit of soy milk. You can use regular milk, whatever you have. And then a little bit of peppermint bark creamer, I guess. Or whatever creamer you have. Or just sugar if you want. But this is the first way, this is the way that I created, I guess. I looked it up afterwards, seeing like, oh my god, haha, did I just make a new thing? No, I didn't. They're called matcha lattes. And here's the second recipe. This is an actual recipe that I looked up. This is the first time I've tried it, so excuse this mistake I made. Into this cup, we're going to add about a teaspoon of matcha powder. In addition to that, we're only going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. That's a little weird. It's mostly milk in this recipe, so I was a little confused. Anyways, the sweetener for this, since there's no creamer, is honey. I messed up here because in the recipe it says to only use 2 teaspoons of honey, and for some wild reason, I read that as tablespoons. I did only put 1 tablespoon in because I was like, that seems like a lot, and then I read it in between clips and I was like, shoot, that was supposed to be a teaspoon. Whatever, it'll be fine, right? Spoiler alert, it was way too sweet, so I'm just gonna dilute it with more milk. Anyways, again, ice, and then we're just going to fill it up with soy milk. And here are 2 drinks. The one with the peppermint bark is probably my favorite because that's what I created. It might also be the fact that I added way too much honey and that it was just like honey. It was just honey. That's all you taste in that drink. So, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.